Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So you generate a beautiful image with Gemini, but there it is, the Gemini watermark in the bottom right corner. It's subtle, but it's there. And if you are planning to use the image for a print-on-demand product, social media or any pro work, that watermark is a total problem. The good news is that you can easily remove it. There are two main approaches: a simple AI-powered Chrome extension that runs locally, or a more technical command line tool for those comfortable with coding. Both are totally free, open source, and respect your privacy. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go and talk about how to remove the Gemini watermark from a photo fast and easy. As usual, let's get started. Let's go and start with the easiest one. The simplest method is the Gemini Watermark Remover Chrome extension. For example, now we're gonna go to the Chrome Web Store and actually look for the Gemini Watermark. Anyway, Watermark Remover. As you see here, there is like 3 apps you can choose from. After finding this one, you can easily tap on Get to install it, and it will be added to your list of extensions. Anyway, you can also, if you want, like as I told you, if you are very comfortable with coding, you can go and look for the command lines that would take that watermark down. You can use the AI watermark remover package, install it globally via npm, then process a single file or process an entire directory. The tool works with JPEG, PNG, WebP, and PB or BMP formats, which actually works. So Gemini adds watermark using a technique called alpha blending, where the watermark is semi-transparently blended over the original image. These tools reverse that process by extracting the alpha map from the known watermark pattern and reconstructing the original image underneath. And that's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.